Hi everyone, I am Ananya and welcome to Blooming Aspirations. If you're here for the first time and want to know more about me and this channel, check out this video. In today's video, we are going to be talking about top 5 questions that you need to prepare before your interview. These questions are on top of every interviewer's list. What are these questions? Let's find out. Well, the interview usually starts with the question of tell me about yourself, which is basically the interviewer asking you for your self-introduction. To get the perfect self-introduction, check out my video where I have in detail explained the art of self-introduction. The link is given in the description box below. Do check it out after this video. Alright, so here are the top 5 questions for interview. Number 1 and 2. What is your greatest strength? And what is your greatest weakness? The interviewer can ask you both these questions together or any one of them. In order to answer this question perfectly, it's important for us to know that why the interviewer is asking us about our strength or weakness. It is only because they want to know how self-aware are you. So you need to start thinking about your strengths. Think and write down the skills and positive attributes that make you the best for this job. These strengths should be truthful because if you're faking it, trust me, it will show and it would be rather embarrassing. After you have thought about these strengths, you need to back them up with examples because without examples, there is no proof, which is as good as lying. For example, I'm a people's person. I absolutely love meeting new people and I'm instantly able to build a rapport with them. Most people feel comfortable with me and share their thoughts. I think this is my strength as my people skills will highly benefit in getting more clients and building client relationships. I shine when it comes to teamwork as I also headed the football team, debate team or any other things that you can think of. Talking about weaknesses, now that's a tricky one. When you're talking about your weakness, do not tell them this. Me? Weak? I don't have any weaknesses. I'm perfect. Nobody is perfect and everyone knows that. It's nothing to be ashamed of. We all have our weaknesses because after all, we're all humans. If you tell them that you don't have a weakness, they'll think that you're either a liar or completely lack self-awareness. So start thinking about your weakness. It will help you in many ways. In the interview, share a weakness which doesn't hamper your job requirement. Explain how you discovered it and how you're trying to overcome it. For example, sometimes I take a bit long to finish my project. It is mostly because I want it to be perfect, so I keep rechecking my work. However, I'm working on it by planning myself better. This shows that you're reflective, willing to learn and striving to get better. Number 3. Why should we hire you? Now, if the interviewer does not ask you for your strength or weakness, they will definitely ask you that why should they hire you for this job role. This is the time where you need to give it your all and sell yourself for the job. How? To answer this question, you need to talk about your strengths. It can be technical, skill, and your attitude. And explain to the interviewer how these strengths complement your job role. How your strengths can help you in this job to achieve targets, gain clients, bring profits, and more. Basically telling the interviewer that how you fit in the picture, how you can help the company achieve its goal. I think my people skills will highly benefit in getting more clients and building client relationships. I'm also a qualified digital marketer. These qualities and skills will help me in achieving and sustaining the company's personal relations. Number 4. Why are you interested in this job or company? When we go out for a job interview, there are many possibilities of why we want that job. We could either be passionate about the job or just in a desperate need of one. But when asked these questions, you need to answer it the right way. The interviewer wants to see if you're really interested in this job or company. They want to see that you have done your research, that you know about the company and the job role. This not only shows that you're interested in the role, but also speaks volumes about your professionalism and preparation. So make note of these points. What you like about the company. It could be their brand, their technology, their unique selling point, their company values and ethics. What you like about this job, and brownie points for passion. Tell them how passionate and crazy you are about this profession. Number 5. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? When the interviewers ask this question, they are looking for people who are ambitious, driven, and are looking for professional growth. Be realistic yet ambitious. Most companies want loyal, long-term employees. So it is safe to say that you want to grow in a managerial position in the same company. Alright everyone, it's time for the bonus tip. When answering these questions, don't drag your answers. Make them to the point. Only elaborate when asked to. Take the hint from the interviewer. If they cut you in the middle of a sentence, it's time to stop and brief things up. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and share it. Until we meet next, keep living, learning and blooming.